I'm Jimmy Grappone with JPAR Carolina Living, and today I'm at 405 Johnston Road in downtown Pineville, North Carolina. This is a brand new construction home built by True Homes. This is part of their site built program. So they have a program where basically this is a spec home they built, but you can actually pick out your own lot and then they'll build a home for you on site. So this one in Pineville, North Carolina is located about a quarter of a mile this way to downtown Pineville. So you can walk to shops and restaurants, coffee shops, things like that. And it's about 3/10 to half a mile to Lake Park. So you got a park right there. It's pretty cool. Right across the street, there's actually a volleyball court and a soccer court as well, which I believe may be part of the local church here. But I want to take you inside this home. I'm filming this in August of 2022. It's a 4-bedroom home listed at $599,000. It's a beautiful craftsman style home. Lots of upgrades, beautiful fit and finish. So let's go on inside and take a look. All right, so here's the front of the home. So you see it has a white exterior with black trim and has those craftsman style columns. You have stone bases on the columns as well. Fiber cement siding. Has black metal gutters and a black metal roof above the front porch. I love this Carolina blue front door. And as you come in, it has these wide plank laminate hardwood floors. And everything is very modern, very white in here. Let's shut the door behind us. And right when you come into the house, there is an office with double French doors. That's right on the front of the house, so if you work from home, you get that natural light right here in the front of the home. And here's the entryway. And looking inside the office here, you see the crown molding in the ceiling. You see it here in the foyer as well. And then as we continue into the main part of the house, there's a formal dining room right here in the front. And very spacious, very beautiful kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, gas range stove, quartz countertops, humongous island here. And this has the gray cabinets with the brass hardware. And the cabinets along the walls are white cabinets, also with the same hardware. Give you a close-up look at that. And here's your subway tile backsplash, a gray and a white. Here's a close look at the counters. And you've got windows looking out at the backyard. This lot is a little bit over a quarter of an acre. So you got a nice grassy lot back here that can be fenced in for privacy or for pets. And you can see from the kitchen is basically the central part or the hub of the downstairs. So it's right off the dining room. You have a large enough island where you could actually eat in here as well. And then you have the main living area here. So you have these half walls here, or shorter walls, not as long. Shouldn't say half because it's not short, but they kind of give you a little bit of privacy and seclusion from the rest of the house, yet it's still open to the kitchen. And you got a gas burning fireplace here. There's a look at the mantle. And a look back towards the kitchen from this main living area. Also downstairs we have a drop zone, which you can see right here. This could serve as your mud room And we have a powder room down here as well. The pedestal sink. And this is right off of the garage. So it's an attached 2-car garage. It's actually quite deep. You can fit a large truck in here very easily. And there's a closet too for additional storage. All right, so that's the downstairs of the house. Now let's go upstairs and see what's up there. All right, so from the kitchen, you've got the steps going up the stairs. And these are wood steps going up. It's very nice finishes throughout the house. You have carpet on the second level. So when you get to the top of the steps, you come to a landing area up here. And if you go to the right, you got the primary owner suite. So a really large bedroom. You can see that's a king size bed. And you can see you've got the end tables on either side, window on either side as well. That's room for a dresser. So it's a large room. Now go into the primary bath. Beautiful tile flooring. There's a dual sink vanity, which you can see here. Same hardware as we saw in the kitchen. You have a large stand-up shower with tile surround, and also a soaking tub with tile surround. Private water closet, and a large walk-in closet. Now the primary owner suite will come back out to the landing area. And directly across, we have another room, which is listed as a bedroom. Certainly has that functionality, but could also be used as a multi-purpose room. So I actually envision this as a media room or an exercise room or a playroom or second den. It has a closet in here as well. It's a shallower closet than what you'll see in the other bedrooms. But it's a great multi-purpose flex room that could be used for whatever your primary need is up here on the second floor. And then down this hallway, we have 2 other bedrooms and a full shared bathroom. So we go to the right. We also have the laundry room. So a very large laundry room. And I love this part right here. You got a folding table. So you can have your washer and dryer on one side, and you've got this folding table on the other. Linen closet. And then you've got 2 bedrooms. So here's the first of these bedrooms on this hall. This is on the front of the house. So we're in the morning right here, and looks like we're on the west side of the front of the house is facing west. But you even still have some good brightness in here in the morning. Coming out of here, you got a full bathroom with a dual sink vanity and a stand-up tub and shower with a transom window over top, again to let in more natural light. And then here's the other bedroom. This is on the side of the house. And with a closet as well. So there you have it, folks. That's a tour of 405 Johnston Road. Again, this is a brand new construction home built by True Homes, and it's being offered in August of 2022 for $599,000. If you have any questions about this home or any other home in the Charlotte area, if you're interested in doing new construction where you pick out your own site, give me a call, reach out to me. I'd love to have a conversation with you and see how I can help you out. I am a realtor. I'm a listing agent and a buyer's agent with JPAR Carolina Living. So I'm here to help you whatever your residential real estate need. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next tour. Take care. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the CLT Life for more videos about real estate, restaurants, and retail here in the Charlotte area.